Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to LangGraph, combining language and graph models. Imagine a super smart parrot that can read millions of books. That's kind of what a language model is. It learns patterns in language to generate text, translate, and answer questions. Think of it like autocomplete on steroids. Think of a graph as a network of connections. Like your social media network. Nodes represent things, people, places, etc., and edges show how they relate. Graph models help us understand relationships between data. Imagine combining that super smart parrot with your social network map. Now the parrot can not only understand language but also navigate relationships between people and information. This is what LangGraph does. Let's say we have a knowledge graph of famous scientists and their discoveries. A LangGraph model can answer questions like, what did Marie Curie discover? By using both the language understanding and the graph's relationships. LangGraph gives us more accurate and insightful answers because it considers both textual information and the relationships between concepts. It helps us reason and draw connections we might miss otherwise. LangGraph is used in various fields, such as recommendation systems, suggesting products based on your preferences and others' similar preferences, knowledge-based construction, and drug discovery, finding relationships between compounds and diseases. While the underlying math is complex, many libraries and tools are available to help developers work with LangGraph models. We'll explore some of these options in future lessons. Think of it as using pre-built Lego blocks to create amazing structures. LangGraph is a rapidly developing field. We can expect even more powerful and versatile applications as technology advances, unlocking new possibilities for AI-powered solutions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.